Hi guys, Ancient Warrior here. Welcome back to Prepping USA. Okay, let's do some housekeeping. If you like what you're hearing here, go down bottom and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to know when I put something out new, just press the bell icon and it'll tell you about it. Let's talk about cleaning supplies that you need. Now, folks, right now, there's a big move on cleaning supplies. You can get bleach and most of these cleaning supplies. And like I said in my last video, there's a little profiteering going on. I got involved, started looking for N95 mask for Mother and I, and found out that boy, the price has gone up on them suckers. Where you used to get a box of 20 for about $20, they're now almost $60. That's okay. I've got a gas mask. Mom's got a gas mask. And all of my equipment is chemical, biological, and nuclear warfare approved because it's all military. Cleaning supplies, back to that. You need to get peroxide, the brown bottles. Don't drink it. Don't use it in water for drinking. Apply it with a towel with gloves on, folks. And wipe down your counters. It'll help kill any viruses. Bleach water. Get you a spray bottle. Put about that much in the bottom of that spray bottle. Fill it full of water. And do not get it on anything you plan to wear or any cloth products you plan to keep. Because I have lots of clothes. I use lots of bleach on my part-time job, and believe me, my clothes are spotted from bleach. Also, Pine Sol. That's another way. Now, if you have sick people in the house, Pine Sol is a good deodorizer. It'll help alleviate that odor from people being sick. Lysol. Cans of spray Lysol. You spray it on and you let it dry. It will kill 99.9% of whatever it comes in contact with. Clorox and Lysol wipes. Now, folks, we're going to discuss a couple of things on these. Lysol wipes, Clorox and Lysol wipes are not to be used on the human anatomy. I was listening to Angry Prepper out of New York this morning, and he was talking about people who were using it on their face, on their hands, their backside. Guys, do not do this. It will irritate the hell out of your skin. Matter of fact, I know a woman that works with me part-time. If she even goes to touch the Lysol or Clorox wipe, she has to have gloves on. Because it messes her skin up so bad. Now, what do you need to be carrying with you? Well, this is hand sanitizer. About $1.50 at Walmart. And it's pure ethyl alcohol, 63%. Let me tell you folks, it is designed to kill whatever it comes in contact with other than the human. Okay, wet ones. Now folks, you want to have these so that if for some reason you can't get home, or you're just feeling bad, starting to feel bad, you can take one of these and wipe down with it. Dispose of it properly in a trash can. Okay, folks. Blip. There we go. Flushables. Now, most cities will tell you don't flush them down the commode because they don't deteriorate the way they're supposed to. If you can't have toilet paper, now I carry both. I carry these and a small packets of toilet paper with me. Believe me, if people are getting sick, you definitely want these. Now, they make travel size Lysol. Can about yay tall, yay big around. You can get it, and before going into any community bathroom, you spray the commode down. You spray the door handles down. You spray anything down that you'd come in contact with. Then, wash your hands with hot water or warm water. And the way that we're trained to do it, because I do deal with the health department, we sing 2 choruses to ourselves of happy birthday. You know, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear so-and-so, happy birthday to you. We do that twice while scrubbing our hands. And you just don't do the hands. You go all the way up to mid-wrist, which to about here. A good 6 or 8 inches past your watch. Folks, sanitation is the key to keeping this disease down. So, and you're going to see these third world nations. You know, these countries that's got questionable sanitation, you're going to see a lot of people die there. And they're going to wonder why it didn't happen in the United States. And I'll be sitting there telling people exactly the reason. So, with that being said, have a good day. Have a blessed day. And remember, it's better to have and not need than need and not have. I'm the Ancient Warrior. And we're out of here.